Hey there! Today I have an Amazon Prime wardrobe to share with you. So if you're not familiar with Amazon Prime Wardrobe, it is a free service for Amazon Prime members and it allows you to try before you buy. I've actually taken advantage of this service quite a few times in the past and I have gotten, I would say, some pretty good finds. Since it has been maybe at least a year since I tried it, I decided to, order another box. And the way it works, if you're not familiar, you get to select up to 8 items that are eligible for Amazon Prime Wardrobe. So not everything is eligible, but anyway, for today's video I ordered 8 dresses, and I do love dresses, and since I'm back to partially working in an office, I thought it might be a good time to, get some. For me, dresses are a quick and easy way to get dressed in the morning because, it's like one and done. And in the past, there were a couple dresses that I really liked from Amazon. I think they were from Lark. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna order those dresses in different prints. But unfortunately, the one that I really like, which is my favorite, it's not available anymore. And the other one, the prints that I saw in the other colors, I really didn't care for. So I ended up just ordering a variety of other dresses that kind of caught my eye. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, yeah, so 8 dresses, boy. And I actually ordered everything that was like an Amazon original or Amazon exclusive brand, because I do have several that I really like, and these dresses are all pretty affordable. So here's everything that I got, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the plastic now, and then I'm gonna try everything on, and then I'm gonna come back and we'll go over everything. Okay, so I tried everything on, and now let's go over everything. Okay, so first off, I got this dress, and it's by Amazon Essentials, and it's just like a t-shirt dress, yeah, and you can even see it doesn't have a tag, it's tagless. It's got a V-neck, and this one I got everything, I think, in a size small this time. A lot of times in the past when I'd ordered a medium for these Amazon brands, they just seemed really big. And I tried ordering everything that had at least 4 stars. So this one had 4.5 stars with over 3,500 reviews. And so I thought, okay, it's very highly rated, and I like this print. It's very bright and cheerful. I don't know if it's a little young looking, like, is that like more juvenile? Yeah, I'm not sure. But it's a cute dress, and it's very reasonably priced. It was only $22.50, and yeah, not bad. So the material feels nice. It's just a very swingy, stretchy, nicely draping fabric. It's 95% rayon, 5% elasticine. So yeah, I think this is a easy to wear dress, and of course it looks nice with a denim jacket. And as far as the length, I thought the length was okay. It was about just above the knee, I think, yeah? So yeah, not bad. This dress comes in a lot of different prints. I don't know if this print maybe is not the right print for me. I typically like red, but yeah, I don't know. Amazon Essentials, though, is an Amazon brand that I've tried before. I've gotten some t-shirts and stuff, and I do really like that brand, and it's very affordable. All right, next. I got this dress. This is by Lark, and I got it in a size 6. Okay, and this is the women's puff sleeve crew neck fit and flare dress, and it's $31.70. And yeah, this is, it's okay. It's a nice dress. It is very pretty. I kind of like this print. It's nice. Kind of a basic black and white. It doesn't look, it's not floral. It actually looks like it has leaves. I didn't really care for this sleeve though. So if you see, it's like a elasticy sleeve. And then this neckline, it's kind of different. It has this hook and eye thing, which, like for me, I kind of struggled with, I'll be honest. So I like the way this dress actually looks, once you get it on. It's very flattering, the cut is. So this is, let me see, 95% polyester, 5% elasticine. It's just a nice, easy to wear you know, it's machine washable. It's not gonna wrinkle. You can just throw it on. So yeah, I like the idea of this dress. And this one had 4 stars, 194 ratings. And they did have some different prints. One thing about Amazon though, for like, if they have like the certain brand Lark and Row, they just have basically the same prints for these different style dresses. So if you like the print but not the style, you can try a different style with that same print, if that makes sense. Okay, next I got this dress, and this one actually had a really pretty floral print. This is by Goodthreads, and this is the women's fluid twill tulip sleeve tie waist dress. And this one had 224 ratings and 4 stars, and it goes for $34.90. So this one, I thought it was actually really cute. It looked really cute on. The only problem I have with it is the fabric. You know, it's rayon. Actually, it's not rayon, it's viscose. I thought the fit was fine, and I thought it was cute. The material doesn't seem to be wrinkly, even though it came in like a plastic bag. So that's a good sign. So yeah, I thought this actually was pretty cute. And I tried on everything with like a jacket or a denim jacket. So that's one thing I always look for, if a dress can go with a denim jacket, because I just love that look of denim jackets. But yeah, so this is actually a pretty cute dress, so I'm thinking about this one. Okay, next I got this linen dress, and this is by Amazon Essentials, and it's the women's sleeveless relaxed fit linen dress, and it had 933 ratings and 4 stars, and it goes for $29.50. So this one is 55% linen and 45% cotton, and it does say machine wash. But you know, I got a size small, but it seems really big. I mean, for a small, this was huge, right? And it is really a cute dress. I think if it was a little bit smaller and better fitting, it would be even cuter, because right now it's just too huge. But I like the idea of this, and I'm kind of into linen right now because it's summer. And it does have pockets. So this, I just pictured it being like super easy to wear, you know, with a white denim jacket over it. If you had red shoes, which I never found a good pair of red shoes, like red flats or something, I think that would be cute. But yeah, I think this one will have to go back for me because it's just too big. Okay, next, I got this dress, and this is the Daily Ritual women's cozy knit open crew neck dress, and it had 410 ratings and 4.5 stars. So this one is also Amazon's choice for, what does it say? I don't know, gray t-shirt dresses. Okay, so this one was $28.90, and it's 48% polyester, 48% viscose, 4% elasticine, machine wash. It's very cozy. This is a very nice, very thick, soft fabric. I mean, I love this fabric. It's amazing. The only thing is the cut. It was a little bit snug, I thought. You know, I don't like anything tight. So for me, I don't know. I don't know if I could pull this off. I mean, I thought it was actually cute, and it looked nice with a denim jacket. I think in the try-on, I tried it on with a more boxy, oversized, because since it's more slim. But I don't know. I'll have to think about this. Yeah, I don't like anything that's tight. And then, you know, I'm a little older, and I have kind of a bit of a tummy. So anything that accentuates that is a no for me. I might have to see if they have any other dress, like more like that other style, like a swing dress with this fabric. So maybe it's gonna be, if I look for the word cozy. Yeah. Okay, next, I got this dress. And this is also by Daily Ritual. Daily Ritual must specialize in cozy. And this one is the women's Supersoft Terry Dolman sleeve boat neck dress. So I guess the buzzwords you have to look for are cozy or super soft, because this really is super soft. And it had 231 ratings and 4 stars, and the price it goes for is $28.90. And this is 97% rayon, 3% elasticine machine wash. Yeah, I really like the material. It feels so nice. This was a little, I don't know if this was a little snug too, but not as bad as the other one, I think. But yeah, you'll see it's just kind of a nice stripe, very subtle looking, and you could jazz it up with a necklace or whatever. I don't think it was too short, and I did think it looked pretty nice with a denim jacket over it. So we'll see. I think you could wear this like with, you know, sneakers if you wanted to, like if you had tennis shoes. But I think you could also dress this up and just, you know, for a work casual environment, it would definitely be acceptable. So yeah, I think I'm actually thinking about this one. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so next I have two dresses that are actually the same style. They're both from Lark and Row, but just different prints. And the first one is this one, this print. And it's just a very, I think, tiny print. It looks like floral with a burgundy background. And this is the Lark and Row women's short sleeve V-neck gathered fit and flare. And it had 798 reviews, 4.5 stars, $29. So it's 95% polyester, 5% elasticine, machine wash. So I do have a couple dresses that are from Lark and Row that I really love. They didn't have the exact style that I wanted, so these are kind of similar. But yeah, I don't know if I like this this part, you know. And the fit and flare, I mean, it's nice, and I don't think I would have to wear a camisole. I don't think it was that low, so I think it's definitely wearable. I'm not so sure about the print, you know, honestly. For this one, it's just okay. I wasn't like really blown away, but this is definitely something you could just throw on. It would be quick in the morning, yeah? That's what I'm looking for. Okay, and I also got this print, and this one actually showed up in my Facebook feed. You know, like sometimes they're in Facebook and then there's like a banner or something, and you'll see it has this interesting animal print, and it's kind of like a, what color is that? Like a pewter? It's called Blue Steely Animal. It's a good name. But yeah, so basically this is the same dress, right, as that other one. I don't know though. Yeah, so I'm not sure about this print. It's okay. I'm not like really into animal print, to be honest. But I mean, this is not bad. I'm still like not that sure about the overall yoke thing that's going on here. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Amazon dress haul this time. So I got 8 dresses from various Amazon brands. And yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure exactly what I'll be keeping. I mean, 8 dresses, I should have some really good hits, right? But I don't know if I had anything. And I'm super picky with dresses because I do have so many. And what I'm looking for are dresses that are comfortable, easy to wear, no fuss, you know, just throw on. So we'll see. I might have to like maybe take a second look, try them on again, and look at the try-on footage and see how everything looked like that. But we'll have to think about it. But let me know what you guys thought of the clothes, and if you've had any luck with Amazon Prime Wardrobe lately. I'm thinking maybe I should try one of those ones where there's a personal stylist that selects stuff for you, but I've never figured out how to do that. Maybe I need to. But anyway, that's all I have for today, and now it's time to call one of my 2 furry companions to help me say goodbye. Okay, who wants to come help me say goodbye? I have 2 here. Neither of them are moving. But Sammy, you're looking at me, right? Okay, come here. Okay, and here is Miss Sammy. And I think the last time you saw her, she had just gotten her hair cut. But now it's still short, but it looks like it's growing in a little bit, yeah? Because Sammy is very photogenic, I think. But anyway, that's all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.